Welcome back students. Now in this tutorial it will be a little bit short because we only have to learn how to replace values that are present in our data set. Now for example, I have this column and I want to replace this good value. So I will right click, go to the replace value, and I want to replace like good with good category, for example, and I can click OK. So it will replace all good values with good category values. If I want to replace this value as well, I can say average category, click OK. So all the average values will be converted to average category values. Similarly, if I want to convert the zero values that are present in some column, there are possibilities that in some cases zero value means something and I want to convert all of them to -99, for example. I want to recode them. I can perform it like this. So these are different steps of how we can perform replace operations on categorical as well as the numerical columns. That's all for this video. See you in the next section.